Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Okay, this is our product title for the user vitality ranking and a prediction in social networking services, a dynamic network perspective. Okay, this is our abstract. So the social networks are using day by day. So the social networking users or strength is increasing. So the most popular social networks are Twitter and Facebook. Using the users are sharing our data. So the social networks are a vital mechanism to discriminate information to friends and colleagues. So the one interesting and important problem in the social networking services is to rank users based on their vitality. We analyze the challenging issues in the data-driven model and also in big data revolution. So the personalized influential topic search or PIT search in a PIT means personal influence topic search in a social networking. So if a user gives a search query that given get topic based on the user query with the influential topic discussed in the social network. So here we are finding accurate ranking list of the user vitality could benefit many parties in social network services. So finally the social networks include but are not limited to social networks in microblog sites and academics collaboration networks. Okay, so this is the flow diagram for the social media analysis using the topic for the user vitality ranking. So first of all, the first one is the social networks data set. So first one is the every user is logged to the social networks as a, so here we are analyzing the types of media such as Twitter and Facebook. So first of all, the Twitter means Twitter dataset will be loaded into the database. After the Facebook dataset will be loaded into the database. So the both datasets are will be loaded. So the dataset will be loaded after the data is going to be pre-processing. The pre-processing means suppose in our data has any null values or unstructured values is to be removed. So finding the after pre-processing the data is going to be the clustering under classifications. So in a Twitter dataset means you'll finding the random clustering. So the random clustering base will finding the user vitality count. That means it is called the ranking, user vitality ranking. So the user vitality ranking base we will finding the influences. So the influences means first of all we will apply the social query. Suppose we are typing the query as people. So the people is sending to the information the influencing details which will receive the given query. So after receiving the query base, the user is finding the influencing search. So finally the ranking predictions go to the results. So another one is the Facebook data. So the Facebook data means clustering classifications, finding the media fitness. So finally you'll getting the frequent data. It is called the final result. Okay, now the demo section is start for the user vitality ranking in social media networks. So the dynamic perspective. So this is the home page. Now I click to the welcome.java. So the user vitality media as the welcome to Java is to be running. So it takes some times. So the welcome.java as home page. So this is running. Yeah, so the background scanning of this is 100%. So the nowadays the social media is using more people. So the social media is using day by day. So the more users are using social networks. So the social networks using the peoples are sharing our communities. So now we will run. So this is our homepage for the user vitality ranking and prediction in social networking. So this is the Twitter dataset will be loaded. So after we will click to the next. So next one is login. So just I enter the user ID and password. So I give the existing user information. So this is a valid user. So now I come to the main frame. So this is a social media main menu. One is the Twitter and the other one is Facebook. So just I click the Twitter. So browse. So this is the dataset.csv. So going to the implant. So here I'm using the Twitter Twitter dataset, it has more data, so we will take some times. So here we will take some times for the analyzing social media. So this is the Twitter. So in a Twitter is one of the most popular social media. So in Twitter means every user has logged into the Twitter account with based on some security measurements. So uh, here we will finding the influences to the Twitter records. So in every Twitter user has to be some specified informations to be followers Twitter in following informations. So here the data is going to be implanted. So all data are inserted into a database table. So implant. So click to next. So this is social media analysis using data pre-processing. So show the data. So replace unwanted data. So now the symbols are converted null. Suppose the some symbol, this is the symbols are converted to null. So the pre-processing is completed. So data filtering. So they remove the unwanted values. So the data is going to be converted. This is the data filtration. So the null values are detected. Okay. So move. Next one is the clustering. So this is a random clustering. So the random linear clustering completed. So this is a clustering 1 value. So this is a clustering 2, clustering 3, cluster 4 going to be finding. So this is a select central voting count. So this is the data is going to be centralization. So the how many users are sharing the data. So the all clustering values are to be centralization. Now the centralization computed. View top vote. So this cluster 1 has 4 values. So this is a clustering 2 and a clustering 3, clustering 4 voting values for the measurements. So what is the time variant for the every cluster? So this is the time frequency. So the centralization computation completed. This is the node time visited. Suppose the data is transmitted from the social destination, it's transferred from the some nodes to be clustering. So this is a ranking prediction. So the ranking prediction is nothing but here we will finding the user vitality ranking mechanism. So the ranking mechanism based we will finding the ranking successful is based on the clusters rank clusters, cluster 1, cluster 2, cluster 3. So this is the values. So next going to move. Now this is the receiving information. So just I go to the user query. So giving the input query input. So the query input is nothing but just a user is sending some informations. So this is the through some retrieving query informations. So now I'm running to the query.java. So this is a query. So enter your query topic. So the topic is people click to the submit. So now the user regarding information is to be submitted. Just click to him query input. So just I giving to the user regarding input is succeeded query. So just I give to the click to. So the query submitted successful. So click to next. So this is the result, but here we will come to this page. Okay. So receive. So the people is our sending query is sorry query submitted successful. Okay. So our query is people. So finding influence based on the people. So the influence is find. So this is the people influences on the query. So go to the next. So finding. So this is the managing director social media. So this is the one finding social networks user query based finding. So now we will send to the data is going to be receive. So this is a user result managing director. So 663. So the both informations are same. So going to next. This is a showing ranking predictions. So the username Shiva. So this is our reporting. So the reporting means what is the time taken for every milliseconds the existing unproposed systems. So this is existing unproposed systems. Going to back. Now we will using the Facebook media. So the Facebook media. So selecting dataset as a facebook.txt load move load data preprocess, move, HDFS load. So another information is in our domain as data mining, not Hadoop. So just another or general information or additional information based, we will using the HDFS load. So HDFS data is to be successfully stored on the Hadoop. So after the HDFS storage, the data is going to be MapReduce. So this is a MapReduce, k-means, optimized k-means, clustered. So select cluster 1, so cluster 2, so cluster 3, so going to next, so female OT, so manager, extract data. So this is the Abdullah Mullah. So this is the name, so gender and a profession as a manager. So when I click to the name, so this is our general informations based on the user. So this is our search influencers. PS means perform personalized influential search. So going to the result. So this is our performance. Okay, now the demo is finished. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.